This is Shweta Chopra. I'm a beauty pageant winner, a grooming trainer, a makeup artist, and an international cabin crew. With over 14 years of experience in aviation, grooming, makeup, skincare has become an important part of my life. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a complete skincare routine which everybody should follow. If you're thinking this is another video where I'll be telling you to follow CTM religiously, you're wrong. Yes, forget the old cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine. I'm here to tell you that CTM is outdated and it needs an upgrade. And I'm here to share the updated version with you all. So let me share with all of you a new updated 2020 version of skincare routine, which is CCMS. Cleansing, correcting, moisturizing and sunscreen. So yes, I'm telling you all to remove that toner from your skincare routine. And why so? For so many years, we've been told that toner will help you to minimize your pores. This is actually a myth and wrong statement. Most of the toners comes with a lot of alcohol and which is very harmful for your skin. So we don't need anything which has so much of alcohol on your skin. So when I say cleansing, I'm advising everybody to use a mild cleanser. If you have an acne-prone skin, you can go for a cleanser which has glycolic acid or salicylic acid in it. If you have oily skin, you can go for gel-based or water-based cleanser. And if you have a very dry skin, you can go for foam-based or cream-based cleanser. So what do we mean by correcting here? Correcting is all about working on the problem area. So the correctors works on your skin problems and the issues you have. It can be pigmentation, acne, fine lines, dullness, dark spots. So if you have an acne-prone skin, you can work on a corrector which has salicylic acid in it. You can ask a dermatologist to prescribe you a good retinol or a salicylic acid corrector. Definitely help you to get rid of the acne problems you have. For pigmentation, you can buy vitamin C, glycolic acid and hyaluronic acid. For fine lines, you can go for hyaluronic acid or retinols. As we age, we lose a lot of moisture from our skin, and moisturizer works to rehydrate your skin. So if you have an acne-prone skin, you can go for water and gel-based moisturizers. For oily skin, you can go for jojoba or gel-based moisturizer. If you have a very dry skin, you can go for paraffin or cream-based moisturizers. Important skincare routine or the skincare product we all need, which is sunscreen. Everybody needs a sunscreen. Even if you're not going out or stepping out in sun, you need a sunscreen. We need protection from our indoor lights, which are tube lights. We need protection from our TV screens. We need protection from our mobile screens also. If you have a very dry skin, I'll advise you to buy a moisturizing sunscreen which can be cream based. If you have oily skin, you can go for silicone based sunscreen or gel based sunscreen. Gel based and silicone based are my personal favorite. Silicone based sunscreen works very good as your primers also, and you can put it before you start your makeup and you don't need a primer anymore. Now let's talk about how to budget your skincare. I'll advise you to go lighter on the cleanser and the moisturizer part, and you can spend less on cleanser and moisturizer. If you can spend more on the correctors and your sunscreen. The corrector will go deep in your skin and will correct the issues you have, like fine lines, dullness, pigmentations, dark circles. So the corrector should be of good quality. So you need to spend more on the correctors and your sunscreen, and you can budget your cleanser and your moisturizer. So to summarize it, I ask you to remove the toner out of your skincare routine because it has a lot of alcohol and it doesn't do any good to your skin. Most of the dermatologists will recommend you not using toners. So you have to remove toner out of your skincare routine and you have to add on the most important product, which is sunscreen. The video will give you a new definition to your skincare routine and you will follow the CCMS, which is cleanser, corrector, moisturizer and sunscreen. Do let me know your thoughts on it. I'll be showing you a tutorial on a complete daytime and nighttime skincare routine. Do let me know if you want to see more videos on such topics, and I would love to make them all.